Hi, this is Mike. This project is about Iridium satellite signal strength monitoring. This time I wanted to see if the signal strength reported by the modem had anything to do with the position of the actual satellites as they flew overhead. So what I did is I used the development board that I built in the last project, and instead of doing actual communication with the satellites, I just asked the modem what the signal strength was. And every 5 seconds I published that to MQTT. I also built a web front end using CesiumJS that shows the Iridium satellites above the Earth in their true positions in real time. The web server gets the signal strength data from MQTT and shows it on the map as 5 bars, indicating the signal strength. So as the satellites move and get closer and farther away from the base station, you can see the signal strength change. Now the great thing about Cesium is that you can run time backwards and forwards at different speeds. And you can create your time series model to keep the data for all the times. And this allows us to really see what's going on. Since the satellites move slowly in real time, we can speed it up and we can see how the signal strength really changes. Every time a signal strength reading comes in, I calculate which satellite is closest to my ground station in Minnesota. And the green line is drawn between the ground station and the nearest satellite. And you can see how it changes as the satellites move. The web page also shows a scatter plot of the signal strength versus the distance to the closest satellite. So we can see that there really is a correlation. The closer the satellite, the more likely it is that the signal strength is higher. With Cesium, we can zoom in, we can rotate the Earth, we can really get a sense for the 3D nature of the model. It's really cool and it's a lot of fun to play with. Each satellite has a circular footprint projecting down onto the Earth, and you can adjust the elevation for the footprint. I have it set for 25 degrees, which means that if you're inside the circle, you can see that satellite at 25 degrees above the horizon or higher. And this seems to be the elevation at which the signal strength goes above 0 for the nearest satellite. This project was a ton of fun, mostly because CesiumJS lets you build really beautiful visualizations. So I hope it was educational, and please check out the full article on the Nootropic Design Project Lab blog. Thanks.